sitting in a bar, pimpling a jar in Jackson. And on the street, the summer sun, it shines. There's many a barroom queen I've had in Jackson, but I just can't seem to drink you off my mind. It's the honky-tonk women. Give me the honky-tonk blues. I laid a divorce in New York City. I had to put up some kind of a fight. The lady, she all dressed me up in roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind.